Welcome to Alliance Fearless Trading. Unlock the mindset of top traders. In the wild world of markets, where fortunes are made and lost in seconds, what separates the winners from the rest? It's not luck, it's mindset. Today, we're diving into the unbreakable qualities of elite traders. These aren't just tips, they're the blueprint for trading without fear. Let's get started. Quality 1. They think for themselves. Top traders don't follow the crowd or chase headlines. They dive deep into data, charts, and trends to form their own views. Forget what the experts say on TV. Successful trading comes from your analysis. Build your strategy on facts, not hype, and watch your decisions pay off. Quality 2. They don't care when others disagree. Confidence means standing firm. When others doubt your moves, top traders tune them out. Trading isn't a popularity contest. It's about trusting your research. The herd often runs off cliffs. Be the one who charts your own path, even if it means going solo. Quality 3. They can trade safely through chaos. Markets love drama, crashes, booms, volatility everywhere. But elite traders stay cool under pressure. They stick to their plan, use risk tools like diversification, and make rational calls amid the storm. Chaos is opportunity in disguise. Master it, and you'll thrive. Quality 4. They are always learning. The market never sleeps, and neither does a top trader's curiosity. Stay ahead by reading reports, testing new tactics, and adapting to tech like AI tools or crypto shifts. Lifelong learning turns novices into legends. Commit to it, and evolve with the game. Quality 5. They don't participate in market debate. Why waste energy arguing bull or bear? Successful traders skip the noise and focus on execution. Debates drain time. Smart trades build wealth. Let others bicker while you analyze and act. Your portfolio will thank you. Quality 6. They cut losses quickly. Losses happen to everyone, but top traders don't let them linger. Set stop losses, exit fast when wrong, and preserve capital. It's not about being right every time. It's about surviving to trade another day. Quick cuts keep small setbacks from becoming disasters. Quality 7. They trade small. Greed kills accounts. Elite traders bet small, managing risk per trade, maybe 1 to 2% of their portfolio. This way, one bad move won't wipe you out. Trade small, compound wins, and build sustainably. Risk management is your shield in the trading arena. Quality 8. They have confidence. Belief in yourself is non-negotiable. Top traders trust their skills and strategies, pushing past fear. Doubt creeps in? Review your wins and data. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's the fuel that turns analysis into action. Quality 9. They never quit. Trading tests your grit. Losses sting, but champions rise stronger. Learn from failures, tweak your approach, and persist. Quitting means missing the next big win. Remember, every top trader faced setbacks. Perseverance turns them into success stories. Conclusion. There you have it, the fearless qualities of top traders. Adopt these, and you'll trade with unbreakable resolve. Start small, think independently, and never stop growing. If this fired you up, like, subscribe, and share your trading journey below. Trade fearlessly. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching.